Can freedom of speech be restricted for public safety reasons? In today's climate, the question of whether freedom of speech can be restricted for public safety reasons is more relevant than ever. Recent events have sparked discussions about the balance between free expression and safety. As communities face various challenges, many are searching for clarity on this complex issue. Freedom of speech is protected under the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. However, this right is not without limits. Courts have established that certain types of speech can be restricted when they pose a clear and present danger. This includes speech that incites violence or makes threats. For instance, earlier this week, a court ruled on a case involving social media posts that were deemed to encourage violence during protests. The ruling highlighted that while speech is protected, it can be limited when it threatens public safety. Government actions, such as surveillance, can also impact free speech. Authorities may impose restrictions to prevent violence or terrorism. However, these actions can lead to concerns about overreach and the chilling effect on free expression. Critics argue that surveillance measures often target specific communities, creating fear and discouraging individuals from exercising their rights. This raises questions about fairness and equality in the application of these restrictions. In other countries, restrictions on speech for public safety can include fines or bans on language considered disruptive. Yet, these measures can be controversial, especially if they are applied too broadly. Legal frameworks in the United States sometimes protect specific types of speech, like political discourse and journalism. This can lead to debates about unequal protection based on the speaker's status or platform. While freedom of speech can be limited to protect public safety, these restrictions must be carefully justified. The ongoing discussions about this balance reflected the need for ongoing legal and political examination. As society navigates these challenges, it is essential to consider how to protect both public safety and fundamental rights. Understanding the nuances of this topic can help individuals make informed decisions about their rights and responsibilities.